Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will be guiding you through the fascinating world of Bard by AI Google. So let us jump right into it. To begin with, open your web browser and navigate to bard.google.com. On the homepage, you will find the option Try Bard, located in the lower right corner of the screen. Click on it to get started. Before diving in, take a moment to read and agree the terms and conditions. Once you have agreed, tap on Continue to proceed. Now comes the fun part. You can unleash your creativity by using any prompt you desire. For instance, you can type "Write me a poem about the zoo" and hit enter. The AI will then work its magic and generate a wonderful poem for you. Want to explore more options? Click on the arrow and you will find drops about the poem where you can choose the ones that resonate with you the most. With Bard by AI Google, the possibilities are endless and you can enjoy an immersive experience in the world of creative AI. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you in the next one.